So today we have a live session to discuss angle of friction. Angle of friction is basically defined as the angle between resultant and normal vector. Resultant is basically the resultant of friction and normal. So resultant of friction and normal vector and नॉर्मल के बीच में जो एंगल बनता है दैट इज कॉल्ड एंगल ऑफ फ्रिक्शन. नाउ here we can complete a parallelogram, and by applying law of parallelogram, here we have a triangle OBC. In triangle OBC, if this angle is theta, then tan theta is P by B, and P is CB, B is BO. So CB is limiting friction, Fs max, and BO is normal friction, and which is equal to coefficient of static friction. Hence tangent of angle of friction comes to be equal to the coefficient of static friction. I repeat, the angle of friction is defined as angle between resultant of normal and static friction, and normal is called angle of friction. Okay. Second is angle of repose. Angle of repose is the minimum angle of inclination with horizontal for which a body just begins to slide down. वह मिनिमम एंगल जिसके लिए कोई इंक्लाइंड प्लेन पे रखी वस्तु स्लाइड करने की टेंडेंसी गेन कर लेती है, इज कॉल्ड एंगल ऑफ रिपोज. हियर इट कैन बी डेमोन्स्ट्रेटेड एज this. For this angle, it is not moving, but it have gained the tendency of motion. So in that case, here is the weight, and this one is the normal. So weight is inclined with respect to this surface, hence it will resolve in two components. One is mg cos phi, another is mg sin phi. Mg sin phi, as there is no motion along this line, so this will balance this, and there is no motion along this line as well, so this will minus this. So we can write two equations. One is n equals to mg cos phi, n equals to mg cos phi, and second is fs equals to mg sin phi. Dividing equation 2 by 1, fs equals to mg sin phi, n equals to mg cos phi, दोनों को भाग दे दिया. mg cancel out, sin phi by cos phi tan phi, fs max by n, and this is again coefficient of static friction. So tangent of angle of repose also comes to be equal to the coefficient of static friction. Hence we can conclude both tangent of angle of friction and tangent of angle of repose both are equal to the coefficient of static friction. Thank you.